I was doing all those facial expressions and everything. Funny. Hi. It's Jeremy. It's Jeremy. Even though it can still see you. Yeah. Good thing they're dressed.
This is my camera. Just saying, you know.
This is Shay's camera because she's a weirdo. You gonna put this on Facebook? You should put this on Facebook. You're not even funny.
Well, once you record us dancing, please stop it.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
You shouldn't look in the mirror. You should not look in the mirror.
She can't look in the mirror anyways because she turns around. She'll look this way. Haha, it didn't stick.
The piano's in the
I'm crazy. Okay, I'm turning you off now.